I got Psvita, and the customer said the right stick not working. So in this video, I will try to replace the right analog stick. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. Let's start to fix it. First, we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have 2 screws here. 1 here. And now let's open the cover. Just be careful, they have here ribbon cables. Alright, the customer said the right stick have issue, so we should work on this area. I will try to disconnect the battery just in case. The battery is disconnected. So on this side I have 2 screws and 3 ribbon cables. This is the first, second and third. And I'm not sure if this one is also connected here. But anyway, let's open them. Just be careful. This is the last one. Almost done. So let's take the board out and just be careful with this ribbon cable. There you go. And I think I have only 1 screws I need to open it for the stick. But let's see if they have something here. Oh no. And this is the old stick. And this is a brand new stick. Let's return the board. Both screws is returned. 3 ribbon cables is returned. Let's return all other parts. Four screws is back. 1 screws is back. And also the last 2 screws is back. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, leave a comment.